Fact checklist. Use a checklist to help you remember the steps in a research project. You will use the letters in fact as a checklist. F. Focus on a topic. A. Ask questions. C. Choose sources. T. Take notes. Here's an example of a topic. Honey bees. Here's an example of a research question. Where do honeybees live? Here's an example of a source. This is a book about honeybees. Here's an example of taking notes. These are facts that I found in the book about honeybees. Honeybees get nectar from flowers. A honeybee's home is called a hive. As you complete each step, check the box in the checklist. I focused on a topic. I asked questions. I chose a source. And I took notes. Now you know how to use a research checklist.